Hey guys, this is just a quick video where I am going to ask you one simple question. Just one. The Ori and the Will of the Wisps Let's Play has been completed in terms of the actual playthrough. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is editing the last two episodes. Those are still in the middle of being done now. And now I want to look to the future. So I figured who better to ask than you for what the next Let's Play should be. I also have some new tutorials coming down the line for Photoshop, Illustrator, and possibly a few for DaVinci Resolve. Kind of still playing around with that. But the whole reason that I made this channel was to help people like you. So it isn't just about me throwing whatever I can out into the internet and just hoping that it pleases people. So I think you know what I'm getting at. I want to hear from you. Go to the comments and write a few ideas down for some Let's Plays that you would like to see and some tutorials, some things that I can help you out with. Even if it's something you haven't seen on this channel yet, go ahead and write it down. I will check it out, I'll research it, and I'll make some tutorials for you. Now, if I see enough people saying the same thing, like I've had a few people ask me to play A Link to the Past, and I've had a few people say that they want to see me play Mega Man, and a few that want to see Final Fantasy VII Remake, which I very well may be getting early this week. But that's a whole complicated mess because I want to play through Final Fantasy VII by myself first, and then I would make a Let's Play after I've completed it and played through it once. It's kind of a special thing. I want to experience it myself first because I'm selfish. That's basically it. So if there's something that you want to see me play or a tutorial that you'd like me to teach, go down into the comments below and let me know what it is. Also, this is a great opportunity if this is your first time visiting. Hey, welcome! You should check out the rest of the channel, see what other videos are on there. Maybe there's something you like, I don't know. But if you do like what you see, always make sure to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, and all of that stuff. In the meantime, guys, stay positive, stay healthy. I'm Kevin Allen, and as always, this continues to be technically something. See you soon!